Hi, first grade families. I hope everybody is having a good Friday so far. We made it to another Friday. That's always exciting. Today is Friday, October 2nd, 2020. It is day one, so you will have Maker as your special at 11:45, and it is the 23rd day of school, so I've updated our coins so that we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, or if we want to count the 10 way, we have 2, 10, 3, 2, 10, 3. All right, so for today's schedule, I have a couple announcements, so I'm going to just jump into that. Actually, before we do that, I'll stand for the pledge if you would like to join me, and then we'll go through the rest of the day and schedule. All right. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, very good. So for today, coming out this morning, first thing will be the math application problem. There will also be a complete sentence, writing complete sentences, reading, learning video, and short activity as well this morning, first thing. And then I'll also send the Kahoot activity that we talked about a little bit at the end of math class. Yesterday, there is a video tutorial along with the Kahoot activity that will walk you through all the steps of how to get on and how to put your name in and how it works. So if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you enjoy it just as a different fun way to practice some of our things. It's just for fun. It's a game. It makes it like a game with points, and you try to do it as quickly as you can, but it's just for practice and just for fun. So I hope you enjoy that. We'll have our live 10 a.m. class this morning like normal. We will keep talking about waiting for the Biblio Burrow, and we'll talk about the story elements of problem and resolution. And then you'll have a short, you'll complete the story map from yesterday. Instead of doing character and setting like we did yesterday, you will complete the problem and resolution part, and you'll send that after our live 10 a.m. call. All right, and then we'll have our 1 p.m. math class, and then the problem set and exit ticket following our 1 p.m. class. So, on Fridays, I always try to build in a little extra time for you to catch up on anything. So if you want to check your iPad, check your Seesaw activities light bulb, and see if there's anything left from this week that you need to clear and finish. Hopefully you have a little bit of extra time today to be able to do that. All right. So just a couple of quick announcements. Today is our supply box pickup day, so you can come anytime between 12 p.m. and 5 p.m. and you'll get a box just like last time with your child's name on it. They'll be, out on the on a table, and you can find your first grader's name with the box. I just wanted to show you really quickly a couple of the supplies that you will find in the box, but we'll go through them as they come up and as we use them in class, just like the last time. But I did just want to let you know quickly, you will get the next module books for math, and you will also get the second module for Wit and Wisdom workbook. You'll only get a blue math workbook with the blue spine because the yellow spine, the fluency book that you already have, covers modules 1 through 3. So just wanted to let you know that you're not missing something. You'll just get this one, the Learn book. Okay. Then you'll also see there will be a baggie of word building letters, and these are for when we get into the patterns that like vowel teams and our controlled vowels, or digraphs, which would be like CH, SH, TH, those ones that stick together, that go together. So if you could just put these in a safe, you could stick them with your other word building letters, even in the front pocket of the folder, or just somewhere handy where you'll keep them in a safe spot until we get to all these sounds. So just wanted to let you know that was in there. And then one final thing that, I wish I would have sent this first, and it was just one of those things hindsight is always 2020, but you'll find in your supply box this name tag that will have your name, your first and last name on it. But I would recommend keeping this near your work area wherever you normally do your classes and do your work. I would keep this handy, almost like you would keep a name tag on a desk, where this has a lot of good information for you that you can use as a resource while you're completing your work. So it has a number line, it has a 100 chart, it has all of the letters of the alphabet so that you can look to see, if you're not sure how to make an E or you're not sure which way the B goes, you can always look here and that can help you as a resource. Also helps if, writing your first and last name, you can always look at the name tag. So just, I would keep this handy as a nice resource that you can use at any time during any of our live calls, during any of the times that you're doing your work on your own. And just keep this handy as a nice resource. Okay? All right, the other really quick thing, I know I'm kind of keeping you a little longer than normal. The other quick thing I wanted to mention, you probably saw, your grown-ups probably saw an email from Dr. Miller this week about the specials schedule going to a Monday through Friday rotation. So we are not going to do the day 1, day 2, day 3 anymore. We're going to go to a Monday through Friday. So I've put the schedule in the newsletter that I send home to your grown-ups. This will be starting on Monday, October 5th. But I will also put the day of the special for each day on our morning message and on my daily schedule that I type up. But I just wanted to let you know that we're going to a Monday through Friday. So Monday you'll have library, Tuesday you'll have gym, Wednesday you'll have art, Thursday you'll have music, and on Friday you'll have maker. All of the specials times will stay the same. There I think was an error on one of the messages that said music was changing time. I confirmed with the music teacher that music, all of the specials will be at 11:45 except for art, which is 12:15. So that will all, the times will all stay the same. So I just wanted to let you know, and let me know if you have any questions. Like I said, I will put this on the daily schedule like I've been doing, but I just wanted to call your attention to it and remind everybody as we go into next week. So let me know if you have any questions. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to everybody soon. Thanks so much.